This is actually pretty good. I'm impressed by Trader Joe's. A quick update before we get the vlog up, today's vlog started. The tank for the septic tank for that truck is coming together. So little by little, it's upside down. Pretty sure you guys couldn't be able to tell, but yeah, it's coming together. But I need to open the door to our cave, because this is where stay. This is where we keep our good stuff. And today, I don't know if you guys seen my motorcycle once. Keep it covered just to keep it, for the most part, dust free. But we are going to be doing a tank lift, or attempting to do a tank lift, because yeah, the part that goes here for the tank lift is out of stock on the online store that I shop at, Revzilla. So we're gonna be attempting to make our own, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, let me show you guys what I'm looking at right now, because you guys need to know what it looks like. It's pretty simple, but I can screw it up. So looking at the picture, it looks like this piece here is above here, so that's like about 3 inches. Yeah, about 3 inches. And I must, good boy, stay. That's about center to center, because they need to move from the center to from the bolt to the new center of the other bolt. So that's 3 inches plus half an inch on each side, so 4 inches. And I think that picture was like about an inch wide. So we need 2 pieces of 4 by 1 thickness. Probably find these some scratch material somewhere, which I'm gonna look for right now. Yeah. So I was looking through scrap metals and I found this piece. It's 1/4 inch by like 18 inches by 2. But then I was about to cut it up and I found this thing on the floor. And this is about less than 1/4 inch, forgot my measurements, by 7 by 2. So I'll use this instead, because this is a little bit of overkill in regards of thickness, because that thing is meant for like tanks and bigger things, not for holding a small tank on a motorcycle. So yeah, we're gonna go with this tiny piece, and we have to draw it up and cut it. So that is next. Yeah. Move this out of the way. I need this later. It's a little messy. Right, Archie? Well, first things first. Need a clean edge. So we got one piece here, and this piece here that just fell off. I'm wearing a glove because it's very hot. Well, we need to clean them up real quick so we can use them. So I just finished polishing them. Not polishing, I was just cleaning them up with the polish wheel. But they're clean now and usable, but one is bigger than the other, I believe. Yeah, so you can see, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the one on top is bigger than the one on the bottom. by a little bit, maybe by like a 16th or so. So not that much, but no one's gonna notice because they're gonna be on opposite sides. Now we just need to drill the holes on these bad boys and see if they work. Might have to bend them because in the picture it looked like they had a little slight bend to it, but we'll see if it works straight like this. If not, we'll bend them. Yeah. Before we actually start cutting, it might be smart to find out what size the holes are. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Wrong box. Are you open? Oh, you're open. We are gonna need these big guys. These boys here. These are what the motorcycle has, so that's what we're gonna be using for what is stock. But we're gonna put some other ones that we have laying around for the other ones because there's only 2 holes for both sides, but we're gonna be putting additional 2 for both sides. So we need to find out what this hole is, that way we cut them at the right distance, length, size. Yeah, there's a saying, measure twice, cut once, or something like that. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. As always, I feel stupid, and that's because let me double back. So I was turning this, supposedly I was loosening it. It was turning here because I have not secured it. So gotta secure both sides. If not, they're both gonna be turning and nothing's gonna come off. So yeah, you learn as you go. So good news, got the bolt out. Also good news, it was just 1 bolt. See this long one? It goes all the way across. So it doesn't matter. Well, just matters what size we cut one of the holes for both things, because that's what has to go through this. But the other one doesn't really matter because we're gonna be using our own bolts. Can't lose this. Put this here, and tip is always put the nut on the bolt again, that way you don't lose them. But yeah, now we have to get the measuring tape because I forgot to measure it, the size of it. And yeah, we're gonna start cutting. This is actually exciting. I haven't actually done any mods to the motorcycle besides removing the baffles, and that was just straight up botching the exhaust. So yeah, this is exciting. And we have it on. Here it is. It looks kind of janky, and there's some plastic residue because this thing was on there like that. I don't know why it was on there, but I just yanked it off, and it apparently had some like adhesive, so I took that off. But overall, I think the tank looks pretty good, both sides. I haven't tightened anything yet, but yeah, I think it looks a lot better. But we're obviously going to have to paint this because it doesn't match any of the colors except this maybe and this, but still not like the same chrome. But yeah, and then besides that, this plastic is now exposed now, and I'm pretty sure it's hiding like a bunch of wires here, so that might be next, but not in this video. We'll see. But we're gonna go paint these things now so it can somewhat match and be a little bit more discreet. So yeah, it's nice. Remember, it was free. The website said it was like 50 bucks or so, but we made it for free, and it only took 2 hours to make, including the paint, because we had to let the paint dry. But it's nice for what we have to work with, and yeah, we're finally doing something to the bike and made something on the channel, so it's exciting. But here it is. Look at that. It looks not bad. Not bad. It's not professional. Obviously it's not professional because I made it. But looks pretty clean. So yeah. Hopefully we get to do more mods to the motorcycle. And we're gonna do like a moto vlog later on. But I don't have the gear for that yet. But remember to like and subscribe because it will help out later in the future, but I like to see the numbers grow. But stay tuned for next week because we're gonna be working on the truck. I see it right in front of me, but I don't want to show you because it is currently in the process of being built. But yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, and see you guys next week. Peace.